Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors. Let us take care of probate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
A successful customary proxy marriage application without leaving the UK. Case brief. The client came to the UK in January 2023 as a dependent partner of a skilled worker. Unfortunately, the relationship broke up because her husband had met another woman. The husband reported their relationship breakdown to the Home Office, and our client was sent a revocation letter, giving her 60 days to find another visa route or leave the UK. She met her childhood boyfriend, who had been pursuing her since she arrived in the UK. Challenge. They decided to get married. However, because the time available to her was short, We advised them to ask their family members in Ghana to undergo a Ghanaian customary marriage. The family subsequently contracted the marriage, and it was registered at the District Marriage Registry in Ghana. Neither our client nor her husband was present at the ceremony. In November last year, 2025, she brought her application for us to send to the Home Office. Strategy and solution. Under UK immigration rules and case law, Ghanaian customary law marriages are recognized as valid if the process complied with Ghanaian law, even if the man and woman were not present at the marriage ceremony. We prepared a detailed representation and submitted her application. Process and timeline. She enrolled her biometrics on the 12th of December 2025. Outcome. Our client was granted 2.5 years as a spouse on the 1st of February 2026. Nugget Ghanaian customary law, proxy, marriage, is recognized in the UK, even if the parties were not present at the ceremony. The process must follow Ghanaian law, including registration and certification. Always seek legal advice from professionals who understand the laws of England and Ghana. Facing complex immigration issues? Contact BWF Solicitors today.
493-7340 or 077-127-61884.
Rainbow Radio. 0.4 FM and DAB+. Rainbow Radio. 0.4 FM. DAB+.
OPD, good morning.
Thursday na emirasun ye betwetwe nkomo ye ne BWF Solicitors eba betwetwe nkomo mesoro bibia wo bia no tweben wo fidi no na yemfa nsame wo ho ende ne yemfa me na meni kofa bae opanyini pa wo da djumedi ya no Uncle Ben ankasa na betwetwe nkomo nti na wa prepare questions na ye de ho no so e de ablo mesoro say bomodin ko Facebook sisi a na ko search Rainbow Radio UK Rainbow Radio UK na hwedwumedi no bi live so na befa akonya we anso so asan ko Facebook wa na wa search BWF Solicitors ewo yam Facebook eno so stream ho live and pay obenya dwumedi no bi no wa hwe wo ko website so no so obenya dwumedi no bi ho na wa hwe wo pay omo informations lawyers omo ni omo ye dwuma ho wo pese wo hu se de mo si bo dwuma ni na wo ko website wa ebusia wotumi enya omo information bi na wotumi everyday na bibia setumi akama ntana pay BWF Solicitors in no watching man ka bena crowd wa homa so means resan say mre bi kopa na yan fan komo no en hwehwe so na yan hwe de bi bitumi aye ene anope Angaba, good morning.
Good morning, OPD. Net to say.
Angaba, good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
Let me check him sound. Okay, I think so. Angaba, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Yeah. Lopato bia wo kodi.
Adum na moso
Nyame adum yansi ho ye papa na megidi se workers ban lawyers engineers even obi o ye dmo ho bia na pe megimli se munyina obi a ho ye anape
OPD anope die otwedi ampon nyame adaro makwa yetimi asore ama yene yenuanom Ghana for eba bedin kita ho na megidi se Dr. Mark ne na pam for OPD Irene mo amokeka ho Ghana and London, ewo DAB, YouTube, Facebook, website, baby. I hope so. Munyina moso mohoye.
Fantastic. Yes, you
kasa ya
papa.
wa mu ache nti
The last week na me catch Uncle Frank say me ton catch nti on kan just me tia. Yeah.
ayɛ nokorɛ
Yeah.
yɛda ase na nɔpɛ nso yɛbɛfa
Yeah.
kwanya nso de akyia Ghanafoɔ na yɛada wɔn ase sɛ mo nyinaa bɛka yɛn ho na anɔpɛ yi yɛbɛdi dwuma na dwuma a yɛba abɛdi no sɛbe nneɛma bi a ayɛ a ɛnkɔ yie no ɛno na yɛde abɛto dwa nti obi anɔpɛ yi deɛ yɛhyɛ wo nsa.
All right, and the pedia shamunsa na just jumedi nana ya shasi anunti mesro said he didn't kakano ene Uncle Ben never to chum come was abri se meja kasa na se meja Uncle Ben or the room update ni the ohon or the nya kan what the man ye nya abro nti mesro na wa ben we fidie no questions no bombadi na na chichi ni bufa be mo we sene mu na afen so Uncle Ben kasa na utie ni kasa ma wo hwe na asem kan fa ho ana busia wa hwe na wa fast to seat belt na se bia atuma kama bombadi na ne pe hwehwe mo cha kwan na from na mon do dwumedi mfa mo esan se ba ne se mblemu a o ma bin pa na o mon bo no nso tumi gina na senta ne pemedi o mo number bema na from na fa we bi sade to mu nim na chire no menya mbre na adagye me do mo ho adan side e de amount but modern na from Uncle Ben and I said BWF Solicitors and pay e wo 02084937340 02084937340 or 7 sisters who feel underground train station who the original kwan of na ya be before and pay but modern book appointment and sana related enti mamenko me boss wo Uncle Ben na feel no yan kwatwetwe nkomo Uncle Ben na pemidi efidie ne show nsa meje microphone na ma and pe mu de yan fa hin na update kura ho a den na ho na ne pe yentio
yo opidi anɔpɛ deɛ baabi a yɛde bɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛyɛ information a aba anɔpɛ mu bɛhu a am sɛ mohwɛ right wing newspapers na Mirror, Daily Mail, Daily Express ɔmo nyinaa sɛ Keir Starmer am sɛ nsesan a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ba no Labourfoɔ ama ne ho akyerɛ no papapapapapapa nti si a ɔdwen ho yie paa wobɛhu a mayɛ video koraa sisi ɛda YouTube a na mɛka akyerɛ yɛ nuanom a ɔmo baa ha sɛ yɛse ebia from next couple of months no ɔmo ba sesa law no sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a mo a within 5 years na moanya indefinite leave no ɔmo ba bɛsesa akɔ 10 years edin a ɔmo de ato no ɛyɛ end settlement na kyerɛ sɛ settlement a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ adwuma anaa woya biribi na wodi nya biribi a ya earn no kyerɛ sɛ wayɛ effort nti wo earn income kyerɛ ka sɛ end settlement a na kyerɛ sɛ biribi a wode effort abɛm wode ahoɔden akɔm na wanya na no na ɔmo bɛka sɛ yɛ maame Shabana Mahmood na maame no deɛ menim sɛ ne papa mo amofi Pakistan no sɛ ɔmo ayɛ no biribi o sɛ dan o asɛ deɛ hyɛ da nkɔ yie papa na ne nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a although sɛ ɔtry so ɔbɛyɛ a bit tough no ayɛ a ɛntwa sɛbe care workers a ɔmo baa ha from 2000 2001 2002 no ɔmo baa no yɛka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo baa 5 years ana ɔmbɛnya indefinite leave yes yɛ nim sɛ ɔmo tumi sesa nti wode pɛ sɛ ɔde kɔ 10 years a that means it's up to you yɛdeɛ nkɛnyɛ yɛ problem but nipa no a wode no ahyehyɛ ama no aba ha on 5 years no adɛn na wobɛka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔno nso no wode no ɔbɛkɔ 10 years ɛne na ama Labourfoɔ bu afu paa Labourfoɔ sɛ wontumi ne obi nhyehyɛ agreement anɔpa sɛ 5 years na awia wakɔka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɛnyɛ 5 na yɛ 10 na mmom ne ɛyɛ saa na saa British sense of justice and a fair play and a fairness no ɛwɔ because biribi a yɛyɛ biara no wobɔ kɔkɔ nti wobɛtumi a deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ no deɛ yɛate aseɛ but mɛmfa nstarte ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ ha dada ti date na wode ba no ka ne sɛ after that date no obi a ɔbɛba biara no ɛyɛ 10 years na kyerɛ sɛ nipa no kotua no visa fee no wɔ ba na onim sɛ saa na teɛ ampa wohwɛ a ɔmo de biribi baa sɛbe obi wɔ ha na ɔswɛkye ɛkɔ care route a ɛyɛ 6135 6136 a wontumi mfa wo kun ne wo ba a wawɔ no nka ho ha ano koraa so hwɛ a ntwa yie ebi na nkɔmo ba bɛyɛ a Labourfoɔ Ndra ɛne ne nansa Angela Rayner ɔbaa bi asɛbe ne ho adin yie a n'ani so ɛhyɛ papapapapapa ne biribi yɛ ate sɛ Margaret Thatcher bɔno na school no na wɔnhyɛ da nkɔ ne yie but n'ani ɛdɛ ɔde yɛ papa no twitwi fam kakra nti ama yɛ papa no abɔ berem ama ɛnɛ no yɛate sɛ wɔka sɛ ebia ɛnya mmaa yɛbaa yɛbɛma mo ate ebia mo a mowɔ ha dada no ɛnka mo ebia mo a mowɔ ha dada no saa ne yɛreka yɛsɛ nipa no a ɔwɔ ha dada no up to time a wɔbɛyɛ decision no ɛno deɛ ɔno deɛ ani sɛ ɛka no because ɔde kɔka no a na wɔsɛe no deɛ bio deɛ aba mo a mowɔ care sector moyɛ sponsors mokɔfa nkurɔfoɔ ba mesrɛ mo monhwɛ ne yie paa deɛ yɛhu in the background because yɛhwɛ care businesses no bebree so adeɛ a yɛhu ne sɛ mo a montua workers no momma ɔmo hours no ɔmo start frɛ mu nyinaa nti wɔ hɔ a ne asɛn no email yɛsɛ fa 6 months pay slips bra for obiara a wo sponsor de bia na wode ba na ɔmo ahwɛ mu ɔmo hwɛ mu a na ɔmo ayiyi ɔmo a wontua ɔmo ka ne yie ɔmo a wontua ɔmo kakra ɔmo a ɔmo ɔmo hours na ɔmo abisa wo sɛ adan na ɛti sei case law bi aba high court ne sɛ deɛ home office yɛ na yɛ mmara so ama me mahu bebree business kɛseɛ bi paa ɔwɔ Ghana ni business a ɔwɔ Enfield ɔmo agye ne business afiri ne nsam membu m'ani koraa ne nkurɔfoɔ ɔde ɔmo aba ha a wagye ɔmo atena yɛ over 350 sisi ɔmo nyinaa ɔmo adwuma abɔ nti yɛsrɛ mo adwumafoɔ no monyɛ mo adwuma no yie na de bia meka ne sɛ law no nyɛ mo adwuma nti ɛwɔ sɛ wofa lawyer a ɔyɛ good na ɔsupporto te sɛ na wobie care home a wofa HR department wofa accountant ɔhwɛ no saa na nka mo license no momfa lawyer papa na ɔnkɔhwɛ mo because ntwa sɛ wobɛba akɔfa obi aba kurom ha sɛ woba boa no bia wayɛ adwuma do 4 years nka aka 1 year na nka wanya indefinite leave na sisi a no yɛagye license no which means sɛ wɔ sɛ ɔkɔpɛ obi foforɔ nti monhwɛ new law a home office de aba no sɛ ɔmofrɛ mo a adeɛ a ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmohwɛ no sɛ motua ka yie nti si a no ɔmohu sɛ ɛhɔ na problem no wɔ ɔmo sɛ wontua ka yie a ɔmbɛgye license high court nso ama ɔmo tumi sɛ deɛ ɔmoyɛ no yɛne nokorɛ so ebiom English no from next year March ɛkɔ B2 speaking and listening for the normal route for skilled worker route they are speaking listening reading and writing 4 ne nyinaa kɔ B2 bi mo wɔ B2 dada but for families for skilled workers dependent ɔmo nyinaa ɛkɔ B2 mesrɛ mo wonim sɛ ɔbrɔfo nka na ɔbrɔfo no nkyɛ da nyɛ papa a na yɛ JSS anaa SS a kɔpɛ school bi kɔ deɛ advice a mede ma obiara ne sɛ me maame wanhyɛ da nkɔ school meka sɛ wanhyɛ da nkɔ school a school no wankɔ bi koraa ɛnso sɛ bi ohyia me papa a ɔyɛ krakye ɔyɛ engineer no ɔkaa sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ne yere timi ho akenkan asɛm a meka ni a wɔmi hɔ nti wobɛhwɛ a saa taa na me maame wadi me papa de no kɔ school ama mba me kɔsua sɛneɛ kenkan sɛneɛ ka borɔfo sɛneɛ twerɛ sɛneɛ ade nti me maame na ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ Makola na ɔkɔkɔ ase kɔfa nneɛma bibie ni hɔ a ɔka kyerɛ na ɔnte aseɛ ana ɔntimi nka ana addition bie ni hɔ a ɔde ma na ɔntimi nyɛ ana ɔtimi twerɛ ne din ɛtimi twerɛ alphabet saa na wɔso kɔ school a wobɛtimi akenkan wei na metoma Ghana for last week Friday ihyia Ghana for obey almost about 350 ɛwɔ Zoom so ne yɛyɛ education mo a moyɛ entrepreneur no a mo pɛ adwuma yɛ no sɛ wo so nimade a wobɛtimi ate online school na woti twi ne nkrane a yɛgbe ne deɛ keka ho no na wo so kyerɛ Ghana for adeɛ na nka wo so wagye kakra na abɛyɛ side job mesrɛ mo because when twa ɛmfa obe renew no saa yɛnim sɛ renewal no nso ne bo ɛden sen indefinite leave sɛ ne bɛyɛ a ɛnkɔ ha madwene the final one nso yɛsrɛ mo mmaa no a mowowo no a mo boys no ɛnhyɛ da nnim abrabɔ mu nkɔlaa no papa no a ɛnɛ yɛgyegye British passport no mayɛ video mmienu my live program back on. Obano onhia British passport. Opesa oye wasetna Obano onhia British passport. Enti se wo hwe na yese ko na koye DNA na wo religion ene wo cultural practices ni bi emmoa se wo beye DNA a memfa wasem nko because on beka se koye DNA. Yes, material law no so muntimi nka se koye DNA eno kre. Omo a law na ka se omuntimi mbisa o se koye DNA. But law no nso say passport no enye right, eye discretion. Bibi eye discretion biya no obetimi aka se na mmom niema na wo de aba a kire ense oba no ne papa ni no yen no yen hyeda ngi ntum papa. Enti odo se DNA nye compulsory no mesremo mo pa mo nye DNA mra na no mo ba a ene be ma ye ho adwe yen na ye hu se ampa ade no eye no kre. Mesremo British passport for akola se wonim se mo wo religion bi mo wo culture bi mo wo niema bi a mo ye a enti no muntimi nye DNA menka se nya ne papa onye sa na bekan me say because obi wo ho a owo culture bi obi wo ho a owo religion bi ma menka asem kiro enra papa bi ba ha over Ivory Coast watena ha 22 years waware 14 years one oba na wo ne ba na di 4 years papa ne nya ne British citizenship 2014 enti ne ba no British me ka kire ne say osin obi visitors application man ne ba ne refuse and I'm sure there be ne ba ne British enti eni so yes ana osin application omo ye no mo ka say ne ba no kra no omo njindi ana me ka kire so okay yenkoye DNA Ivory Coast yin onya Ghana ni wudi ma say ka kire me osin there be person be DNA waware oba no 14 years wudi ma say ka kire osin lawyer me ti kromo a oba na ti Ivory Coast me ka say wakobo adwaman na me ba me do no a wadi 4 years no me ko ye DNA na ka say nya me ba na me dey fa he na me ja no do ana ase de ti lawyer me dey ya ma me mpe DNA ase ti DNA no enye nkrofo bebre ya omo nye no enye so omo nye because akola na nye omo ba o omo nye because one on ti DNA na ase two what is DNA no etimi ye faulty because we ka chen say 99.3% or say 0.7% they say betimi e faili aya no kran so
yeah it's true yeah
me client be ye DNA ama unfortunately akola no ye say nya ne ba me office ha boy no border and asema me kan I'm telling you yes starting is soon me no ka say other so mental health for nsem this is about 6 years ago that's what onsem now who read the home office guidance notes almost say obi the DNA ba na nye papa no ba munye very careful say mo papa na mane
okay
oyene enya de ketwa o enti so obi sa onye DNA na bia obo bibi nti o se onye DNA no enti na me ka say opesa oyo ba na waba ha na wuniku na wabehia boy bi na one wanyem na unim se ya kase monko ye DNA na wonko ya memfa wasam nko British passport so ko wun ya British passport na what they apply for parenthood amaya ma 2.5 years unya akola no birth certificate ne papa no passport copy e kire so ya British ana se ne share code ana se ne e-visa kire so or indefinite stay ana ne e-visa kire so or ya e-union or settled status so I name me birth certificate and proof of father's settlement or British citizenship. And not Chesa Obano or a British under section 11 of the British Nationality Act. Bunya DNA. Bunya British passport. So the British passport for no call how. And then as I get be I'll send him a text message. I said, Daddy, mintimin didi, mintimin ya, na mesusa because some omra interview. And I'm a interview no. Man onko obekwa ono nko an obekọ papa no nko bi because papa no nti kromo akotena Ghana da na mbe interview na papa no bedu ha minim say ebisa no question obetoto apaso
obetoto apaso
ka chere say onko bi mu kra wo ho omo application no omo aye dada omo de ba ya withdraw application no ama ya ade bi wa akiri ama enne nkola no British aban atwere ya aka kyerɛ sɛ nkɔlaa no yɛ British the passport office ka no ɔmo mfa ntum ɔmo de ɔmo agye atum sɛ akɔlaa no yɛ British nti ɔhema menkɔgye British passport wo ne lawyer nkasa wonhia British passport ma wo ba no agye sɛ wonim sɛ ukun no anaa akɔlaa no papa no yɛsi yɛnyɛ DNA a ɔbɛyɛ kɔnyɛ bɛrima biara no pɛ sɛ ɔyɛ DNA nti wei ne update a mede brɛ yɛ nua
Good. Update with the Muham. Update to Unqua topic of the day because the audio playing Qua say Mubujima. Ebusia, so we're still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM, Ebusia, and then Uncle Ben, any and then at Chunko, the updates in the brain. Now, Yabetisimu Ako topic of the day, nothing yet, and also at the Ablon to Mr. Gabia will be a certain meeting can you know. I'll call BWF Solicitors. I'm a boy now on class some 8 me 89 and also now also to me 8 and more was so to me to our UK mountains. So I mean, Sember, say, Mrende Duco, intimidate Murder man Ben. Now for the topic of the day, so they are buying enough, you know, you could be a day in other side, Mr. Before. So Uncle Ben, my member now, you know, one of them we the next say, financial simuna. Young na topic of the day na fe no yemwe dawrema
yo menu OPD no pay the topic a yɛde ba no sɛ wo se the topic be ba na kyerɛ sɛ problems a yɛhu ɛwɔ community nim ɛne nti na yɛde saa topic ba no ɔse when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules. Asia kyerɛ ne sɛ da bɛn anaa dan ti ana woyɛ application a na wogyina ɔbaa so anaa bɛrima so a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu sɛ mpra no a motwe no anaa ma wareɛ no ɛyɛ aware pa anaa sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ. Enti wobɛti a yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no sham marriage yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no marriage of convenience ana yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no fake marriage. Enti sham bogus and answer marriage of convenience. Now, who read the case law now? Explain ni nyina ade a kyerɛ. Me emphasis ene part and paragraph 6 of the immigration rules. And in the define ade a marriage of convenience. Marriage of convenience, you know. So we share law no very carefully. Bibi a sabe ha adwene kakra enti wo hwɛ normally no omo nti a meye we ye omo wo skilled omo ba ha students omo ne omo yira na omo ne kun omo ekɔ 2-year post study and answer graduate route and as I say akra 1.5 years mo be hu sɛ nkrɔfo bebree na moyɛ application na omo refuse because niema bi wɔ hɔ a nto yie memma niema no ba mpɛ me explain it. Home office genuine and subsisting relationship a requirement nti sɛ wo pɛ sɛ wo gye asetena wɔ ha ɛwɔ sɛ wo kyerɛ sɛ waware no ɛte ase anaasɛ ɛwɔ hɔ ana 2 aware no yɛ aware pa ana mpena twe no yɛ aware because nya aware nko an yɛ de yɛ etimi de mpena twe sɛ wo ne obi atwe mpena for 2 years now wo evidence a wobɛtimi de ayɛ. The second part no o circumstance a wode yes ade no wobɛhu sɛ home office niema a ɔmo hwɛ no sɛ woyɛ bibi ma wode breach immigration na enti factors a ɔmo hwɛ niema bebree ebi documentary evidence ebi evidence a ɔmo gather ebi personal statement and supporting letters ebi niema a wo fill wo form no wakɔtwerɛ na OPD the sa say ne say yenuanom bebree wɔ hɔ a ɔmo yɛ application a wobɛhu sɛ bɛrima no tete Timbuktu na ɔbaa no te omua fankyene bra. The problem is sɛ ɔbɛrima no tete Timbuktu na ɔbaa no te gomua fankyene bra. Na wo san de kɔhyɛ form no so sɛ home office yi me te gomua fankyene bra ba me kun deɛ ɔte Timbuktu. Asɛm a woka kyerɛ ɔmo no sɛ mepaakyɛw kromu akra nyɛ me debi mu fa me nkofie. Because yes say subsisting and genuine relationship. Subsisting is our real no. Now what to go more fanchina bra. ana obema na tete Timbuktu a moye na ehu mo moye na ebobra more evidence a kyerɛ sɛ mo every week every day how often or ticket or travel or train ticket or car or petrol or bus or ebi kra wafo plane ukɔ Birmingham ne Manchester ɔyene mesrɛ mo na mo ɛha mo ho woyɛ application a ɛwɔ sɛ wo ne ɔbaa ne bɛrima mo address ɛyɛ baako sɛ anyɛ baako a ɛraise suspicion nti yɛfrɛ Immigration Act of 2014 Section 40, Section 13, Section 28 ne nyinaa ɛkyerɛ nneɛma a tumi a aban no wɔ nti wonya de different address to form no so pɛ na wopɛ sɛ refuse wo application. In fact, omo ya refuse omo dodoɔ ne nyinaa ɛyɛ obi yɛ care, obi ɛyɛ skilled worker. Omo atiti omo mu because omo de adwuma nko a na omo ba sɛ omo bɛyɛ. Omo ni address baako. If omo wɔ mma ana mma wɔ mu kra nkɔla no ne omo maame ne te ana nkɔla ne omo papa ne te na maame ne te baabi no yɛ adwuma na ebi abɛyɛ 1 year kra no mu hu omo. What is sad in the qua interview cry and free be refuse straight away. So aha now we know year or and you'll be a joint account.
Yeah.
But for immigration purposes, no be a joint account. Joint account no sir Chromo had the sabi nya bema bia ana wa hoden. Enti obi wɔ hɔ a ɔde kakra ba na ɔbaa no nso de kakra ba. Ɛhɔ na ɛwɔ sɛ egu. Enti wo de yɛ ebi abɛɛma wo de yɛ 80% a ɔbaa no de yɛ 20%. Me hu mɛɛma bi a ɔmo yɛ no 50-50. Bi mu nso yɛ no 20-80. Mesrɛw sɛ 10-90 o 50-50 o ne nyinaa nkɔ faako. Advice a mede ma menka so biara o me sɛ wo nim sɛ wo bɛyɛ immigration application a because your friend a joint financial commitment. Ubemu say offer form na ye bisa wo say mo joint financial commitment na mo bibi a mo mienu mu de musika ya na. Then I would echere or the joint bank account ana echere ama wa print it or bank statement. 2 tenancy ebetimi aye ba akodin but ideally no eye mo mienu mu din a eye obi wɔ hɔ a no nhyɛ da nkɔ rented dan ɔte obi fie woni nipa no nkasa na ɔbɔ letter ya yɛbɔ yi ɛyɛ very easy mabɔ bi egu live program so that and to whom it may concern re ebia 41 Manor Park House N12 1TD I Akia Tenewa I can confirm that OPD and Mansa Menu live at this accommodation. They are lodgers and therefore do not have a tenancy agreement. Simple. When you brofo tintin bia, mo bank statement support. Ebi a pay slip no, so a ideal say obemo masasa letter no. Obi also na me ye adwuma na me the address come on ebi a me ye adwuma o Birmingham address no so am dey on London a address for postal purposes into what they ma wo employer na o say me ye adwuma o Birmingham there but me family home a London ontimi engineer no so gas na me ma wo adwuma because anopa ye see start 7 wo ono dey here na say ye adwuma waba
na waba be adwuma
it's as simple as that. Sister will pay slip no. Now will pay slip address into me in London. Now matrimonial home in Birmingham. And I say will pay slip into me in Manchester. Now matrimonial home and Milton Keynes. Because a basana it raises suspicion. GP. Obia wo krumuha we student, we skilled worker, we graduate route. Wa ware munyina monko 1 GP. Aye, for me, no, aye mandatory. Munyina. Now, lawyer, time ben yenko GP. Me se mo warrior, nti mo warrior wie no. more application. It can be the second one, not the first one. Because when law know about first one, or some more intention, some more better on Casamote.
Yeah.
Or first application 2.5. No, Mr. Mama mean church, na man come here confused. More mean more yes, programming. More student, more switch graduate route. More na refuse mo pa. An answer student, more switch skilled worker. More yere money mu no mu refuse so. Me say war worry British, and will be one definitely. Well, first 2.5. No. Yes, say we show some more better. At the moment, no more the money man or it may be different addresses. That's okay. But for students, almost switch skilled worker and our graduate route. What you want to know that? Enti mo ko akoji bibi foforo a was say mo kire say for say 1 year now, one na back room as a student and our skilled worker graduate route a more skilled worker. One not na enti wo hia sa evidence. We need evidence chese mutibom GP letter, joint bank statement, and our bank statement at the same address. More problem. Enti the way I was some resolve no mumbisa landlord. Me hu so obi abisa se na wa obetimi atro letter no mesrel me lawyer mitimi kan che se wa obetimi atro. Na mo fiera no ntebrofo na se trauma no nsan a obetimi atro ama no no asai. Ade obeka ne se ono ne fie ne ye ne dia na the proof say fie ne ye ne dia ka ho. Na mo mote ho as lodgers. Enti money tenancy agreement no assign. Na odin ni oba ni din ana oba ni din ni be ma ni din abaso enti monya GP letter chese mo the same GP a confirm address monya bank statements a confirm the same address monya pay slips a confirm the same address ana monya landlord letter ana tenancy agreement a confirm the same address so moye we nyina na chese mo prove say it is more likely somewhat together enti my warrior no a genuine and subsisting relationship. Maka we nyina no home office etimi ye mistake. Ebi wo ho a mote enso osemonte. Se home office ka kire wo se wa warrior no enye papa. Ono na wo so prove se wa warrior no enye papa.
Yeah.
Sa case law tie. Case law say se home office say wa warrior no enye papa. Or no home office and it was so approval. The entire Tessa say your law no a very, very emphatic on what constitutes genuine relationship, marriage of convenience, sham marriage, and arranged marriage. You know, I want to say we have application. Now home office I was suspicion. One, I was all kind of suspicion natural. Two, so suspicion no say all catcher I was so chira mra tia ojina so de kase suspicion we nti ana meye because your friend case be your friend on Nas a 2012 citation although say a entry clearance say neka or say aban say a reasonable and say a share say obi say ma warrior ne ya warepa na etiasia it will so show be a friend supporting an affectionate relationship. It will so show evidence of regular contact. To what I'm not thinking, sir. How often am I who proves what aba who proves what you now I'm what if you are I don't know address what be yes we are my be yet yes but also address no fact Milton Keynes. Emotional support, affection and abiding interest in each other, welfare and well-being. So our case no judge no say sa niema na wanhu ni nti no onye satisfied say oma form genuine and durable relationship I show affection and companionship affection yɛ dɛn ɛyɛ ɔdɔ companionship yɛ dɛn ɛyɛ nkabom enti wo se wowɔ ɔbaa a wogyina no so wowɔ bɛrima a wogyina no so a Mother's Day atwam woma no Mother's Day card wotɔ flowers a online wowɔ receipt fa kyerɛ Valentine Day atwam yi wotɔ flowers wotɔ chocolate keep receipt no na fa kyerɛ ebi kora atwa no photo mokɔ out for a meal anaa ɔyɛ special meal bi ma mo ebi a sɛbe na wote sɛ yɛ mu bi ebi a occasionally no wopɛ bi a kokonte ɛna nkatenkwan enti that day no wayɛ kokonte ne nkatenkwan ama wo very nicely watu table woyɛ titifoɔ no bi ɔde white napkin koraa saa akata so ama beer bi si nkyɛn anaa wine bi si nkyɛn a motwa mfoni because you're telling a story ɛyɛ occasion ɛyɛ your birthday ɛyɛ ne birthday ɛyɛ Mother's Day ɛyɛ Valentine's Day sisi akra efrɛ biribi yɛsi yɛfrɛ no Women's Day Women's Day mehu sɛ yɛhyɛ gifts yɛhyɛ messages wowɔ social media yɛn nyinaa dodoɔ no wɔ social media mimi social media mede yɛ adwuma nkurɔfoɔ social media ɔmo didi kɔkɔnsa enti ebi akɔkɔnsa no so a wode aba so sɛ oh happy anniversary wona wo sɛ ɔmo ware 2023 January 1st woba kurom a yɛnya January 1st baako saa mmiɛnsa then na wode yɛ anniversary then na moyɛ wanyɛ hwee won document hwee album wɛn tete no yɛtwa pictures a na nka de hyɛ album ɛnyɛ nyame adaroma iPhone a yɛwɔ nti ɛne nneɛma bi a yɛwɔ ne social media a yɛwɔ nti no yɛ documents nyinaa wɔ hɔ wobɛhu sɛ obi a ɔno sɛ waware no na wobɛkɔ ne social media na ɔne bɛrima foforɔ a ɔno na ɛyɛ kɔna fast ɛwɔ so obi bɛka sɛ ɔmo hwɛ paa meyɛ big star bi wɔ Ghana meyɛ ne case man no question on bisa ne sɛ wo saa nipa wei yakɔ wo social media yɛhu sɛ wo ne bɛrima bi kese in fact ɔmo de pictures ne brɛ na ɔne bɛrima mmiɛnsa ana wɔ social media ɔmo wɔ embrace a ɔmo kese but deɛ home office foɔ no ahwehwɛ ne sɛ saa star no ɔyɛ film or act in a film pɛsɛ mɛka sɛ ɔyɛ bɛrima anaa ɔyɛ ɔbaa so I'll leave it there na yɛ film enti megye film no title ɛne other scenarios ɛne transcript ana mede kyerɛ ɔmo ansa na ɔmo gye atum sɛ ɔmo betumi agyina so de ama akɔla no ne British passport wo social media ɔmo hwɛ ɔmo hu because nkurɔfoɔ bebree na wo social media din ne yɛ wo din sɛm a yɛreka ɛho hia na nsɛ wobɛhu sɛ wokɔ America wofele extra forms na wokɔgye visa yɛbisa wo sɛ wo social media account wɛn wo social media account a wɔ biara no wobɛdisclose UK yɛn started deɛ but ɔmo hwɛ mesrɛ mo sɛ wonim sɛ wɔto keka a yɛsɛ atentenhuro hyɛ wɔto a yɛnkɔhwiri gya very careful na start to document wo nneɛma deɛ nti a wɔsɛ wo document wo nneɛma no sɛ home office no ansa na ɔmbɛfrɛ wo interview no na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ so suspicious but even the slightest suspicion etimi raise instant refusal ana way evidential flexibility ni hɔ enti sɛ ɔwɔ doubt about relationship na obetimi refuse straight away ebia na yɛ skilled worker ana yɛ student a wo switch akɔ 2 years enti woni right of appeal but administrative review kɔda hɔ yɛ 1 year appeal kɔda hɔ yɛ 1 year wobɛtwɛn 1 year na ebia o right to work akɔyɛ problem untimi ntu kwan o maame ana papa yare ana obi aka baabi untimi ntu kwan wei nti na mɛka akyerɛ wo sɛ follow nneɛma a makan mesan bɛsisu bio 1 mun ɛmfa the same GP 2 mun use the same address ɛyɛ wɔ mo form so 3 momfa joint account anaa mo bank account no nyɛ the same address 4 momma mo landlord ɛntwerɛ letter ma mo sɛ mo need tenancy agreement 5 sɛ wonim sɛ waware 1 year aba 1 year anniversary okay menim sɛ Ghana mmarima no deɛ yɛnyɛ romantic saa ba oba no wakai motor flowers bema no di ni pie wo ring a wo share wo dinner mokoi wo da flowers online wo receipt so wo da flowers ebi kra wo Tesco's na wo top flowers ebi kra wo out flowers wo kwanchen enti normally no my advice is tap Apple Pay tia because ebe ba bank statement no so watwa flowers ni photo ebi kra wo ko see wasa so we decorating it nicely watwa ni nyina photo saa nneɛma na mo yɛ ni nyinaa no o document mesrɛ ko concern nneɛma mo de social media yɛ no hyɛ da mmoa saa o pamokyɛw social media no wobɛtumi de document wopɛ sɛ wo document wo life a wobɛtumi bi mo de yɛ exercise bi mo de encourage bi mo de ma devotional messages bi mo de ma motivational messages ne nyinaa yɛ ba wobɛtumi de document wo life nso ti waware akuatene wa menkɔfa adwoa mansa nkogu social media ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔno na woni ne piepie ɛbɛka sɛ wo ne akua mansa na ayɛ application no na wakɔfa adwoa manu sɛ happy anniversary to us adwoa manu me wa ne akua mansa na ɛyɛ application no ɔmbɛtumi akɔ enti advice a mede me ɛyɛ problems a yɛhu ti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛ correct ansa na akɔ home office hɔ ti sɛ wowɔ issue bi a wobɛtumi afrɛ ne akyerɛkyerɛ mu enti OPD aha anam de bɛ
Okay, Uncle Ben, yamishiro no monsieur man na fe no memfa ahoma no so na memfa ye studio license to ja and pay Uncle Ben aka se bebre e dey amen mesro sa nkomo ye twin e bia wo question bi pese wo bisa wo asem trivia wo pese wo so de ba studio line no 020 82260 484 020 822-60484 and your WhatsApp line also is 0777 1950 989 0777 1950 989 and also your WhatsApp line judgment and pay what's me after what me do message and I say audio crowd by a bebo area amount and so akọ yenim and pay your life for Rainbow 92.4 FM a DAB Plaza and so I'm tune in and pay with me so in live for Facebook call BWF Solicitors website and then also Jimmy no a go ho and pay with me and you been soon wash or honor if you have said to me I come make kwa homa so na me first call and tune after from competition and fine so hello good morning.
Hello, good morning.
We say I would need to be for that Roma.
Pastor Femina Nayao.
Okay.
Madam say Ejuma Pamo yet to educators.
Okay.
With the lawyer per se be application mameba and now me na tam ya wo me ban onya birth certificate ya ketwa normal handwriting no eno NFA so tam ya kwakoye passport no Oma maya koye new certificate no. I may be say in this case say emerson ya application na birth certificate and with the hand that me use.
Well, first of all, no, Ghana, ya transition to digital birth certificate. And so our first birth certificate na problem be any na unim say a genuine ubetimi use eno because no ye in time and a new one now my no. Say kobase because omunji India na nkrofo use birth certificate di twantro. Kobase birth certificate no o akwala ne nyi ansa na wokọ gia. I almost suspicion say and confirm a relationship. Ube unsa omo ba be refuse application na was say we DNA. Enti wo old birth certificate a obetime dey aka new one no. You sure say information spelling bibia was be correct. 2. Your baptismal certificate. Nan say nkrofo ntanya wo Ghana. But ebi a baptismal certificate. Ebi kra wo to ba ne din na wo photo nimbi. Ana say oko school testimonial na nneɛma no ne nyinaa confirm ne din and date of birth a wobɛtumi de ne nyinaa aka ho na a corroborate ya kas bibi corroborate a kyerɛ sɛ asɛm bi na biribi ɛsi ne pi anaa ka sɔsɔ na ama na di mu nti wobɛtumi ayɛ no saa why.
Okay, yo, me that's it. And I'm about to me last question soon say on application omu bisa akwala de no mu bisa say o receive ne mami receive regular income from the parent which is I am sending sika more ekoma mami no. But at the end of the application, it be a bank statement for it. But any bank statement na enko bank account to mu MoneyGram yeah send no. Into no honestly I'm kind of confused there.
Pacho a momo transfer na okogeno cash.
Pacho momo transfer.
So momo no bia momo or statement or so. Me momo say met me a call back for the past 1 year or me ama me. Uncle MTN and Vodafone cash or me print statement na man. Why?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it. Right.
Okay, Yansu Yadasi na Yankofa next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. What's happening? So good morning. Good morning. What's up? Good morning. Okay. On to me, so young Yankofa next one. Hello, good morning.
Oh, good morning, OPD.
Blappe now, how to say?
I'm here to morning, but I'm sorry.
Nyamiadum, and let them home shut down from Batia Yala, you be fun, sir. Eh, let me see. And I pay me into it. Why?
Yo, me I'm paying a question. Listen, my nephew, Eko Army. Na, ne year no percent ka, we inviting him, mommy, a bra or your graduation. Problem I want to say, mommy, last year, there's still all back room her. Often for long beside say onim obi o UK no. Okay, say onim obia. As I say, I pay a money banana. Okay, say mass invite me. Pacho create confusion there. And I'm pissing beside.
Then I buy our cocas onim obia one.
Oh, banana. Nani ni ana wahana or say omrantino no so one cast the bawa.
Ana maybe say den ma wo ba wa ha say you be no be ka che say kasa woni ba wa me say den ti no kasa e be our reason to your cancer
Ono ana anka na minim ni nti o ye ni.
Well, I mean a visitor's visa obetimi a tribune why and because I want
all try when obo obetimi after say o ba o UK
na say ne ba na invite no na
si na invite no ba oni ne ba na be ka bu
na den obi ye wase wabra onware wo ba ne ba no so wa ha be
sorry
yeah I also kasa wo ba why na all the evidence check wo ba no why
show you
okay then yeah
okay you better so ho na yanko ahmaso yanko for next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello,
me pacho good morning. Nyame adom na mo so e.
Nyame adom. Me gidi say bibia won bibia boko de.
Anko pa adom
Powerful. Anke Benito me into it why?
So, me family route 10 years ni bina. Home office for message me say memory interview. Na me ka tro mo say menyum to mo ka tro mo say na say do mo ntimi interview me. Na me wo ananka me de me ba na certificate na ide aba. Ba me application is me so current. Be say me who say dia menyem no. Ne papa ye different. Intimate me din edin aka be set no ho de akọ. O mo se me mfa no ne mbra san. O ma make decision.
Ohema den to no mo fra interview.
Mr. Ben.
Yes. Me say I didn't know almost a bra interview no.
Uncle Ben batch meet.
What you mean can?
Me ba try.
Aha, home office say what's no almost a bra interview.
Me ba try.
I didn't know almost a bra interview.
Some application won't find me to mo ka say memory interview answer.
Would you know ba or British so?
Me ba try.
Almost suspect say Obana or British na ne papa na nya ne papa. Okay.
I'm going to say many in Ambra, but me catch me try almost say, while worry into no one person or participate to a process. When I'm a fan, so 32 weeks. And I'm going to say, if I dear, man, no to me circumstance down, but Omo cancel interview, no. Na me one me me banny bear certificate and I send you.
Okay, adia ome kan say almost suspect say oba penny na ugina ne so. Ne papa nya ne papa. Enti ade on pese omo ya ne say omo ye o interview. Normal refer my passport office. Passport office be frel na omo akasa mo koye DNA. Mwanya ometwa passport. Enti from now they kono. Men dwen say wo be wo foforo ma wo de kwa na ekosesa bibia ade e wo say wo plan say den na wo be ya wo di be yi sa suspicion free o and then we say you focus why I mean a good so ma cancel a ma opportunity no so be prepare wo case ni yi the problem I wo ye committee no and I am very frustrated in terms of I am very animated a very simple thing Nima bebree wɔ hɔ a yɛnim sɛ ɛnyɛ the right thing. Okay? So wonim sɛ yɛka sɛ monkɔ DNA na mobɛyɛ a absolutely no worries. Monkɔ na monkɔyɛ deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ biara. Ɛnyɛ normal sɛ woayɛ application on a parent route yɛbɛka sɛ Bryant ɛnyɛ normal. Enti yɛfrɛ wo pɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wohu sɛ akwara no passport no mpɛ sɛ ɔmo gye free nsɛm. Ɔmo gye free ne nsɛm a ɔba no nyɛ British bio. O may refuse your application. You refuse your application now because of banning your British now. We are on your qualified child. We need right of appeal. Now you certify or claim no. And yes, me bo who, but me try say was prepare now be use our suspicion free. And for now no, omum bisa o dear. Be a chere say akola na wo gina ne so no. Ne papa no wa bra bom. Onyem onen wo pictures. Red book ne bi kro no de no call way. Ebia onyem no mauska owo o mauska odaso mauska saa ne ma ne nyina omo bisa o de gada ne nyina na bo decent professional letter na faka ho why
La me patrona birth certificate me fa me ba ne papa ni din hye so na me nyan ne sa
pacho me focus ni ho kra because enye ono na sem ne e ko no nyame adom obewo afa ba nti you focus me ho you focus mpacho you focused o focus ya o bana di omo ye nyina hu di omo ye ba me ano wunim di omo ye omo nim say first child no ne papa nya ne papa okay now suspicion no o second child no what ni din hye so one fa ni din hye so suspicion no and I said, now, no, second one no nye papa no ba. And into no more catch us, I have a brand. Omunim the omo evidence against you. Or him, I've been in this business for so long, say, minim, sometimes, minim the ombe answer no my. Ma focus in free, the okay kind of so, ma focus on call back first one so. So then I will be ya, ebe ma omo suspicion ako. Forget about Obana Onyem no. A good thing. Obewo afa oba. But memma focus on ko. Eno no nsesatwe. Ade abesesa bibi aye first child no. Ti wunnim say issues wo ho a to one more. That's all I'm prepared to say at this stage because aya a hammer so we don't think beyond. Obe so ni obi wo ho a wo de wanya nyansa ka se papa no mma because only duty be as obeko interview. Only duty. Into the work can correct. But it doesn't change the fact that almost suspect is a nyaneba. Or co, one co, your person or your number. Into one as actively, ube pe evidence, edi a confirm and a use a doubt in a free. And evidence in a mabobosono. There are other things I can't say here, but all I can say is almost suspicion. Because any normal, say, ube apply, say, we now about your British so. Normal.
Well, I think say Uncle Ben, you know about some crampo do be him was sub office because in some no Oh, and the modern office, why? Also, come area still now, you bring him one thing. Yeah, office, why?
That's you.
Yeah, that's a power. My uncle Masunian Kofire, no color. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
OPD, good morning.
Yeah, Black person, what is it?
Oba de adumo, nyankopon kitaye mu kakra na wo so e.
Ya me ado kitaye mu tsere wo kan ya, kitaye mu pa. E na wapeja wo voice no so ama na ja lawyer to nka wada wo ma why.
Matese.
Mo nyankopon shiro fa.
Aba kakra.
Ya emu da fa ho sa pewu ebowu ne yanko why.
All right. Ide na mi room na mechia OPD wan kasa afi mi den cha keten so ma lawyer Bernard Owusu. Me de na me ka say Mr. Owusu de wakoye Abraham awoye bre so te say ododo agya. Hwese na wanya abotre kra ni nipa otwatwe kasa yi a hwe nhyehya waye sankono ko ani yi di mu a anka ebi anka omre no ho sa nenso nipa doma ya bedu wo hanom a ye ho kyere yen ene kwan ya befa so benya asetena tena mu nti onya opese ode cheche tisi be mayin na etimenya kwan afa so a betoto ye nema de mi kan nyina ne se Nyankopon koso mana hoden titru ni team ono mu ye adwuma ne enije ne opepa owo so de beboa ye no ye mu binu ho no ma yenim fa enim benkum ye Nyankopon ne wayi na ma ye so meboa ye nti e de mpaebo ta na chi se bi bia mu no Nyankopon kan ono ma no kwatenten a wetim de aboa ye oye me lawyer dada nti no me sheda enkasa nkwati
okay.
That's it.
I'm sure. Let's just say, a dance here, about body na what my lawyer nanopi. You better say,
yeah. Lawyer name
okay. And you back as a back door. I don't know. Okay. Yanko must yanko for next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, Black people want to say.
What's up, man?
Yeah, I say, but you wouldn't be because if I don't
Hello, yeah.
Yeah, but you ain't too why now a dom general.
Monsieur or Babia, Professor Mewarino, but I'm quite definite.
But what even can? Oh, voice still will phone papa, warming tea. Yeah, I made them way, ain't you?
Into no, the person Mewarino, bar, or the win or the buyer, or the care even or the buyer, into no. Now, I'm saying, or you depend on now, only go to my license, no, my actual letter. I'm say some fear say 20, I think next month 16th. Into no, yeah, me ya warranty, yeah, marriage certificate no Ghana. Date me Eunice, January. Yeah, date in January, but me apply for my naturalization. Now, me fill forms no, baby on beside say me current marital status, me and a single. Me file a ton on Queba, my process and put me in San home office here. Now, person who say about affect marriage now since I married certificate here in January no about Nana.
Well, I mean, first of all, all your naturalization or your home office, okay? So date now the application or so date no warrior. So now okay, when you're fan call. When you're single or you're married, it's correct, you know. Aye.
But what's the lawyer can you know?
Okay.
In terms of the lawyer can why? Okay.
Now, once I made a call, your certificate, no, your marriage certificate, in January. Yeah, date just me January. Now, my application, no, March, affecting now.
I affect a moody away. Oh, dear, now, banner, dear.
I put naturalization, I mean, because naturalization, you put us in March, yeah.
But what's it then? A bear affect, you know.
Marriage certificate, you know. Date near in January, January 2026.
Okay, Matthew, okay, but also say be affected in what way?
Me, you can't say. Me na suggestion me no me submitting January can say March yeah.
Yeah. Now, until we submit to naturalization March, now what warrior? What was it ever affected in what way? And I'm pessimity as you know.
Okay. After Matthias.
Yeah, so we could try and throw there, and yeah, well, you know, but ideally, you know, we won't try and throw because what won't say a problem.
No. I think
say utie ye kasa no radio so eno no am wan akwa wadawo manti.
Okay, mami me we.
Enti yemfa we wi ana. Okay, yankwa homo se yemfa next caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, OPD. Pacho hoye.
Nyame adobla pe na won so e.
Adomnia ye.
Lawyer bi ebetie wan pe fa ho se pe na ho kaka. Fufu na wudi e fo bogwum ne yanko.
Mate no me di fufu ampa. Anko bam pacho me di so hoye pa ya da wase wo dwumadia wo ye ma community nyame sra daddy. E pacho me ne me yere e ware wo ye uni 2020. Ana 2024 no aware no gu ye. Enti me wa aware no jaye no efiri Ghana wo nchen. Na mpacho tenancy agreement na be dey call if you can see himself in Nigeria no. Me started from 2020, 2021, 22, 2024. Couple see jaye no. And I said me dey tenancy agreement ba ko ekwa eye. And I mean fa na me e wo ho no mo. Tenancy agreement ni na enkwa na sese na ba ko pinya. But that's it.
Okay, KK. Well, I mean, first of all, you retain writer. I don't know KK can wasem no. Not just I was so near one, some worry at least 3 years about. 2, somewhat in a UK at least 1 year. 3, say why a divorce. 4, data why a divorce no na obano UK. The near my babu nyina a documentary evidence. Nti ohwe a wo de wo NI hyemo a ebeyi wo date number and ebe kyerɛ documents a wɔsɛ wo de kɔ. But first of all, wobenya bibi for ɔbaa no anaa mo mienu a kyerɛ date na wo yɛ divorce no. Saa date ɛfa sɛ wo yɛ divorce March 2024 a wobenya bibi a for March 2024. Tenancy agreement is helpful, but near my boy bebre, your BBT say council tax, P60s, P45s, bank statements, utility bills, nessa near and yet the biana will show 5 years with documents because all your application you bisa wo NI. Wo NI no ebechere se na wo ha. And oba no so won a reference number 3434 na. Ɛno nso de hyɛ mu a ɔmutimi hu sɛ na ɔwɔ ha na no nia enti so ɔmu hu ɔmbɛbisa but ɛyɛ mandatory sɛ date na woyɛ divorce no ɛwɔ sɛ wonya documents ɛkyerɛ sɛ saa date no na ɔwɔ kurom ha enti documentary evidence will be helpful. Why?
Uncle Patrol, me ba kurom ha no me wɔ GP a bibie no 2020 enti ɛna 26 no mintimi ɛnkɔ for settled status than retain no Patrol.
Okay, so 5 years and you count from date or the worry.
2020, yes.
And you said 2020 or 2026, not 5 years and about. And yet, I don't know, almost I show NI, date ya the NI no more. So we are Juma, we so omono, we have application, machine qua not trace our dates, no. And the contribution, we say date say you document, date say. But a bit date now, documents. You know, I almost use AI and it's so interesting. To where EU applications are system na nkasa kyerɛw di ɔmo hu di ɔmo hu. Wobɛhu sɛ wato time a wunni ɔmo hu wasetena no. Nti machine na bɛkyerɛw. Nti woyɛ application na wobɛhu sɛ ɔmɛka sɛ we need the following residential and a residence confirmation. Normal list years no. That's okay.
Yami shira was a black pain tea. Not just say, and one, you can say chiro. Why? You can say chiro. Okay, I will call my son for next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, OPD.
Yeah, black pain, what to say?
But I'm issue to present me into my son baby.
Bunim, who issue no, Mr. Sanka, we floor face won. Now, only Uncle Ben Marcasa or also higher we videos soon, same will be an Wako Kana and Wakopa. Why? Because a confidential Kakawada woman, na Yanisa, one and why. The ministry of Pastor Watimasi, the ministry of. All right, young corner, young for next caller. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Papa, before I know back as I'm but my idea to go ha. WhatsApp for no be voice message about me. You are make WhatsApp no so ya could see voice message in kakra ho na afi no. My son ba phone license so nti Obapa Yankopo share so with me in yes so. Would you be because of free?
Me patrol me do Bapa me kasa free Bristol.
Yeah, I could also be mkodi so for me bo Obapa say o de Obapa so ampa. Okay, Uncle Ben it's you wadoma me it's you.
Good morning. Me patrol me da bus 250 na so na me hear me last one no. I think say me dey go 2 months September. Up to now me san kai. Me san kai until me name say dia bibi na sia na bibi me name sia. And secondly so omo ma me kwaku man kwaku me emra me nya 5 years no because of me vanity. Is that a person me see so omo ma me dying so meaning say that affected dying on with the man me na say me okay me patrol.
Patrol, I bet the first time omo ma 2.5 years.
Omo ma me 2018.
2018.
Me patrol right.
Next 2 years now be indefinite leave.
Me patrol right.
Okay. And I also the call how many months in it?
Me the call September no. First September na me the 2 for the last month.
Okay. Oh yeah, fee waiver now.
There be money free waiver no.
UTI.
Me patrol right.
Yeah. So applications no only service standards by your experience they say be 6 months to 1 year. Hopefully no would in the 1 year because what they call September you will March into just about 6 months. Ubet me a trauma a pusuma here. Why?
Me patrol me to me track work because my sister also quite would to me red book no from now on.
Car will be da. So would you quakua wouldn't mean your red book.
Okay.
Me car will be and I mean cancel that. Yeah, me car and say statement Shabana Mahmood, our your home secretary, or kind of 5th of March 2026. On white paper, May 2025. Statement of changes, November 2025. NSA. The entire omopeso umuyi 5 years, ediko 10 years NSA. Unya indefinite, ebie kwan ma ama wokoji kwaku. Enti 1% nkrofo wakoji kwaku ebe cost you 10 billion over the lifetime. O year free 5 years, ako 10 years. My advice say obi eji kwaku na saa de no eba ana aba ye adwuma ba wutie mi video ni yi a si na mmom ye obi mu a omo ntimi ngyaeje because of yare ana nkola ti ohima obabi nti e wo se unya income na de support wa ankasa nka oban se mi free so ohima tena wa de so because we am wadi 10 years that into o problem ne say
Me patrol because something me 2018 I'm the man January from Wow office.
That's correct.
January no me try to compare with some of the baby na come the account my thing say me qualify from November na come the call because the day was January 2028.
That's correct.
Yeah no. Okay. Me patrol me that.
2027 November December obetimi the indefinite na too. Why?
Me patrol me that.
Kosoje no why adwuma.
Me that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Another no here.
Me patrol ne hoye.
Okay. Yo, Michi Abema no why?
Patrol you na me show.
That's okay.
Maybe separate more than cat na made friend.
No pekra me who me, yeah. Bye bye.
Okay, yeah, you better see, you know about something there. No, I'm call, okay, so, my member, audio we na fe no, na yinti, no, so no dia, or the MI or, Leslie.
Good morning, lawyer. I hope say so adumoye menso pa. Menso obano mimi ukumi adada ba mini enoma. Na obano na meye skill worker nurse man nti oni okunu ene bae. Nti obae na awo ba mu. Nti awo ba mu saa no. Na lawyer ka say passport no metime gina ne certificate no e de aya na e de aye 2.5 ni bia na medas
Law, oh, there, obi voice notes or the buy, you know, until, so, oh, be become one, na, yinti, say, be as you know, name.
Or say awo abama or say birth certificate aye
Maybe, mama just minute na me for young people when I feel me yan day no hejuma. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, but you did be because if you wada uma. Pacho, mamuntie yin free radio no so muntie yin free mo phone no so because you no mo kasa free phone so wutie yin free radio no so a ebeye mistake as radio no delay nti wan hwe ni ya obakasa wutie radio no so respond to na ya bekasa obegina so akakra answer radio no so be respond to answer wa nti esa na e delay won nti yesra mo what is say ya pick na wodum radio na sa wo de twe ho free radio no ne no kasa phone so wo wia wotumi aye fast na wakotie wo ho back de wa kan na wotumi akotie because radio na be delay nti ebema ebebo wa wo nsem na wo kan ebebo late de amonti so na mo nsha na so mfa mami why good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Pacho odi be because for that Roma.
Yeah. Pacho me question say hello.
What even can?
Yeah, me too.
It wouldn't be because for that Roma.
Alaji FM
Alaji Pacho ya no wapeja unzema mamwa na.
Okay.
Voice of phone. Yeah.
Me person me bisa about long residence. Say only GP letter bia say 1 to 20 years wa. A witness ben I would bet me approve now or application.
Ohene, oh yeah, long residence. I will say we prove a fibia of 20 years now. Adia you did prove a GP letters, bank statements, pay slips, P60s, P45s, utility bill, gas, water, electricity. And you did
Oh no, now only that only back statement.
Ohene, almost the inform who when I was watching her 20 years. To when I was say prove, I was say pet documents now would prove. Unfortunately, no. Obi twerɛtwerɛ letters ma for 20 years a ɛnyɛ adwuma. Minhu obi a watena kurom ha for 20 years a ɔne GP da. Minhu bi da, ɛnyɛ possible. Ti sɛ wo so watena ha a wowɔ passport a wode baeɛ a fine, ɛno na a start date no. But every single year, ɛwɔ sɛ wonya biribi a ɛkyerɛ sɛ na wote ha. Wokɔka sɛ wo no woni paper nti woanyɛ adwuma a ɔmo inform ho. Na kyerɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔmo refuse wo. Nti ɛwɔ sɛ womia w'ani na wopɛ documents. Why?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. For next call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, voice of phone power. That room, Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. What do you need to be say? Yeah, we voice. And Pacho, we are Bema. Now, one my base in AP one. Go for the lies to be party. Yeah. Okay. And Pacho, yentio, loyalty.
Well, I'm prepared to be served. Me, our na. Ya wari ne de experience ne but menya me ankasa me nkrataa no nhwea 9 next year na menya January na menya 5 years. It me try think me akɔhwɛ indefinitely, but your call no ɔmo baby say the me na bibia yɛ no ɔmo baby say that you twa aware no divorce no saa da no nimfa ɔbaa no improve sɛ ɔwɔ kurom ha no ma na me call no ɔbaa no say ɔno no sisi oni mi bibia yɛ twitwa mu nti me a me yɛ nti mama ya my lawyer na I withdraw and me be sank there like say goodness year na January na 5 years na no me kwa omu yin ɔbaa no bibia na
very difficult. I mean, first of all, sir, issue with my account, I can say, 30 minutes ago, na me address it. So, what the divorce require was such as a date, I would divorce Obano. Now, Obano Okromoha. And the law, na case law, court to say, and yet date now, we divorce, but date, I was starting process. And the, I was say, Obano, I indefinite that, ubetime at the year next year, person train ubetime the year. Why?
And it's an person make sense next year no. Let's make to me next year na me kwa na just omu yin ɔbaa no bibia because anya ade me kwa menya mboa wɔ no na sɛ me ame ko no.
Ohene ofele application na you bisa say we EU no wa apply for settlement na. Also wa apply what in the reference show. Onu nti ne yema wa setena no wagya no unya no still ya onu nti a. Che wo still unya sa reference no. Why?
Actually, the reference the number no the number no dia me work but no na me di share mu na ye ko bisa say da ye je aware no divorce no ba no wo kroma
What minim lawyer ko a oyema but sa ne ma we
I think so, yeah.
Strategy and the open train next year, January. It's up to you. Why?
Okay, yeah. So and also be here say over for lawyer na and also office na lawyer to me mbo na and also you come why na I mean ko show we last call you na call Pamela wana fi yakochi the Pamela word man. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Pacho what the me da say my friend Pacho. Pacho
nyabutre.
Okay.
So be anta also dey.
And
nyabutre na for question the man be because I say the you will media and the na question I would dey but I could say before.
No question.
Into nyabutre.
Pacho, you know say my sister Bina we cook fa na ba no block the neighbor no na me sister no kunu ewa abam baba abema ya abema no sama no 16 say na kwa no 17 May yam na papa no ekwaje ekrom here book no na wase say wotumi kwaje wiye na akwa no nti betumi agina so age ha book no abra ya enya ne banemu akwa no mo depende enemy sister no na me frɛ say papa no di book na akwa no betumi agina so so ade book no bia na
Ohene okasa no wa join no minhu ne ni tine ne nai o se o sister wo kumu ha o sister wo kumu ha
Mr. no ha
okay ana nikun akofa ne o sister baba
Daddy ana wade mi sister na ba ene
ana o sister na ba
ano ene mi sister na ba enti me fan say akwa me depend mi sister no
okay enti den na pese wo mu
me pase me hu say papa no je enye ko na book na akwa no so qualify say on the na so enye book na
akola no we indefinite stay
that be the kuta mama na no be na mo de ma no
Mpacho, obi a yam no ha, oni indefinite stay a, ontime nya British. Why?
Patrick, Matthew. That's
Sakola yam no krom ha na oni indefinite a, ontime nya British.
okay. Patrick, Matthew. But that's the problem. That's it.
So say the mother amo.
Patrick, I mother papa.
Yeah, the mess what say. You be share why? You be share. Okay. I had the phone lines in your base. I think say you be calling Pamela akwa na or the portal cassa no dia brain enough, you know. If you want your bank be on your budget the last submission after the made in your baby sans and brand copa. The next show no so about take over na just say Uncle Jojo I crowd on na pamfo. I crowd on baby take over na mo the ones so that so meeting Edin Anatu to Jago OP the second higher rainbow 92.4 FM. Also live on DAB Plus. Until my call na many Pamela na and question young chef or the podcast brain and if you want to so Pamela, let's hear from you.
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Wusu. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules. So, when you are making an application and it involves your partner, there is something which is known as a sham marriage or a marriage of convenience. If the Home Office suspects you are in one of these marriages, your application can be refused. So usually when people are switching from student visa to a graduate route visa or maybe even a skilled worker visa and they're extending it with their partners, a lot of times you realize that they don't have the same address. So one person can be living in, let's say, Manchester, the other person can be living in Birmingham. Something like this could raise suspicion because if you are in a genuine marriage or a genuine and subsisting relationship, why is one person living in one place and one person living in another place? Yes, you can be working at two different locations. However, it is important that your addresses pass one place. So the Home Office will look at documentary evidence that they've gathered, personal statements and supporting letters, and then some of the answers you've given on your form, your application form, or even a previous application form. So as I was saying, if your addresses are different, it can raise suspicion. So it's important that you have, let's say, the same GP. Your GP is at one place. So if you get married, it's important that you and your partner move to the same GP so that if you are submitting your application documents, you can have your GP saying that so and so and so and so attend this same GP. It's also important that your bank statement should pass the same address. So you can have a joint bank account. If you don't have a joint bank account and you have separate bank accounts, then your individual account should pass the same address. If you also have a tenancy agreement under both of your names, it's very helpful. But if you are a lodger, you can get your landlord to write a letter for you saying that you and your partner are lodgers in this address and so you do not pay any rent. That is also very helpful. If you have almost all these things passing the same address, it is going to be more likely than not that your application will be refused on the suspicion of a sham marriage or a marriage of convenience. Also, if you are working somewhere else and your family home is somewhere else with your partner, please change your pay slips to your family home. It doesn't matter that you are working somewhere else or in a different city. The reason they ask for your address is for postal purposes. So if you are working in Birmingham but your family home is in Manchester, please give your Manchester address to your employer for immigration purposes. If the Home Office too has a suspicion, they have to tell you why they suspect that your marriage is a marriage of convenience or a sham marriage, and they also have to tell you the law that they are standing on to suspect that your marriage is one of convenience or it's a sham marriage. If you followed all the steps, like all the things, and you have proven that you are not in a marriage of convenience or a sham marriage, it is up to them now to prove that your relationship is one of convenience or is a sham marriage. And there is a case of NAS, in which the judge said it is reasonable that if someone says that they are in a genuine relationship, then they'll have to prove supporting an affectionate relationship. So how you can do that is by providing your evidence of contact, the emotional support, the welfare and well-being, and affection and abiding interest in each other. So how you can do this is by documenting your life. Let's say your partner has bought you things for Mother's Day, International Women's Day, whatever. Do you have proof of it? Is it on your bank statement that yes, the person bought you flowers, the person took you out for dinner? You can have pictures, you can have, proof of everything that has been done so that it shows that yes, you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. You have to show the affection and the companionship by documenting your life. You can use that to prove that you are in a genuine relationship. And if you are also making an extension application, when you were first making your application, it may be granted you were not living together, but if let's say a year has passed, a year, 2 years, what have you done? Your anniversary. What's the proof that maybe you've done something? Did you go out? Do you have proof of it? Did your partner buy you flowers or did you buy your partner flowers? Where's the proof of that? That all helps to show that you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. So please, it's important to remember this, that for the purposes of immigration, if you are going to put in your application, let's say you're switching from a graduate route to a partner route, or even to, no, sorry, from a student visa to a graduate route visa, or even a partner route visa, or any visa you are switching from, whether it's skilled worker, whether it's student visa, whether it's graduate route to a partner visa, or any visa with a partner, please have the same address, have the same GP. If you can, have the same joint account. If you cannot, to let your individual account pass one address. If you are working, let your pay slips also be at the same address. You should have a tenancy agreement which have both your names as tenants. If you don't, please let your landlord write a letter saying that both of you live at the same address as lodgers. So maybe you are not paying rent. You also should document your life, as this will help prove that you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. Once again, remember that if you have done all this to prove that your relationship is genuine and not one of convenience or a sham marriage, then the burden shifts onto the Home Office to prove why they believe that your marriage is, or your relationship is, not genuine or is a sham one. Thank you very much. I hope this helps all of us. Have a nice day.
Okay, so thank you so much, Pamela. Na yenko Uncle Ben on afi yenko we na afi no my advert bank my community na afi my source na Uncle Joe na pam for so about take over our studios hanti Uncle Ben my member of na afi yen we yen source na yenfa dia kan so ma yenu no so mo so beto aso Uncle Ben mami ti
Okay, internet asema ya kano ebe border tofa. First of all, yehu say especially omo ye students, omo di omo ye ana omo kumo ewa ha. Ana omo wo skilled graduate route, omo ko skilled route. Yehu say dodo na omo a the information ma Home Office ma ye refuse wo. Ko omo your application na omo the two different addresses eguso. Munjai sa ade na ye. Two, because of genuine and subsisting relationship requirement, my advice is that mo start ewura kromo hana na mo gather evidence a kyerɛ sɛ mo ti bom, mo yɛ nneɛma bom, mo wɔ affection, mo wɔ devotion, ne nyinaa ɛne companionship. Then na wobɛyɛ same address on bank statement, on pay slips, on P60s, same GP, and the same address. Utility bills, tenancy agreement, sɛ mowɔ bia. Mo dodoɔ na mokɔtena nkurɔfoɔ fie, mokɔ high rooms. Ti ebi a woni utility, woni tenancy. My fie ra no ntwerɛ letter and confirm sɛ mote hɔ. Finally, mowɔ anniversary, kɔ moware date bi. Saa date no every year biara ɛba once a year. Then na moyɛɛ. Mo gather pictures, wotɔ flowers, mokɔ out. Woyɛ wɔ story nti. Narrative about, I don't know. Every year be Valentine's Day, Ghana for friend a chocolate day. Then every year be more 2 birthdays. More birthday, Anna or partners or birthday. Then more share any flowers and our gifts and our BB. Nina o discaneto. I cash purchases. Most of the purchases are by card, and Apple Pay, and contact pay. Today, our bank statements or receipts. Your deliberate effort, put in much effort. Nafa gather sa evidence we na basa we your application and kotuchuma. The final advice says oh yes I dey so a no say even ba ko an application ja ba ko and sana second one be an application. Onje copy of the first person or now onye sure say bibia o kan no so echo repeat the same thing. Now we na sa ebe very easy money problem. Ti anopay we and the bijamo.
Okay, anapay we and yedi bijamo na say Uncle Ben a wote na nkano BWF Solicitors anapay the omudi afamu nyina megimi sa wa wotifi and course nya ene ntuma peke course nya go so tu say nkofo wansam enti masraw from anapay na woni omotwetwe nkomo esan say ahaya mframa so de edwuma mframa the time no so anaso na office the offer obetumi nya more time na wonu makasa na waka wonsam e dey acham nsem bia wontumi kan radio so no office de obetumi aka na no so etumi abo from 020 849373 40 84937340 eno yen office line didi juma emergency line obetumi afre 077 1276 1884 077 1276 1884 and emergency line or friend and repair your budget you know what to think bombarding na hwehwe yi ne kira kwan ewo 4th floor Annan House 214/218 High Road 214/218 High Road 7 Sisters yani postcode yedi juma N15 4NP N15 4NP and any postcode and the pay is all drive here ubetimi dia ade driver de locate and Google driver so no na we did allocate and na bibia so tumi akamenti and pay say me kan but modern na block office oba between ye be show ye be boa mo tumi agina na so say esu na we de buy we de ni GBP e de akọ na bibia so etumi akamenti and pay aha na ye de dwumadi ni yesi na ye akọ na afi no Yama and Joe and then a pam for Sabatina no more did your moon so area Ben Rainbow 90.4 FM. Tiene and Kibemo Bedin Krana film my bar studio Hana Yane studio for Sabah Bedin Cranty BWF Solicitors. Uncle Ben only with me for in and pay ye didn't can next week your share. Now you did your horn so area my powerful until you know more the and
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.